Imagine making money from the comfort of your own home with just your computer and your chatbot skills. It's possible with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI, can be your key to unlocking new income streams. In this video, we will reveal 5 exciting ways to make money with ChatGPT. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this. So let's dive deep into the video. Number 5. Create post for social media. Social media has become an essential marketing tool, and ChatGPT can assist freelancers in generating Instagram post ideas for businesses like sushi restaurants. It can quickly provide 5 creative post ideas that engage audiences. Moreover, ChatGPT goes beyond idea generation by organizing the ideas into a table, including images and accompanying text. This comprehensive plan saves time for busy freelancers who can then use design tools like Canva to create professional-looking posts using suggested images and text. The result is a set of visually appealing social media posts that can be scheduled and posted on Instagram, helping sushi restaurants effectively promote their business and attract more customers. In short, ChatGPT streamlines the content creation process for freelancers, making it efficient and effective. Number 4. Get a job in AI. The rise of AI, including ChatGPT, has made it essential for businesses to adapt and effectively utilize these technologies to maximize profits and reduce costs. Hiring individuals proficient in AI programs like ChatGPT can replace the need for multiple employees in copywriting and graphic design, resulting in better results and cost savings. AI jobs are the future, and businesses that implement AI in their operations can streamline processes and increase profitability, gaining a competitive advantage in the market. Similar to the early days of YouTube, where content creators who embraced the platform early found it easier to grow and monetize their content, for businesses that quickly adopt and leverage AI technologies like ChatGPT can benefit significantly. Staying updated and learning how to leverage AI becomes crucial for businesses and individuals to drive success in the modern business landscape by achieving cost savings, efficiency, and improved results. If you understand it and learn how to use it, you will simply make a lot of money in the near future, so do not miss this opportunity. Number 3. Ebooks. Selling ebooks on platforms like Amazon begins with selecting a niche, such as health, wealth, or relationships, which are evergreen and resilient to economic changes. ChatGPT can assist in generating title ideas and creating a table of contents for the ebook, followed by developing each chapter. Combining the chapters and designing a cover using tools like Canva or DALL-E completes the ebook creation process. 2 options for generating sales are relying on Amazon's massive traffic or creating themed pages with niche-related videos. By utilizing AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and leveraging Amazon's marketplace, individuals can create and sell ebooks in profitable niches, potentially earning substantial income. Success in this venture requires dedication and strategic marketing. Overall, selling ebooks on Amazon presents a lucrative business opportunity for those willing to invest effort into the process. Number 2. Coding. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that aids individuals in creating Android applications. It can generate 3 unique and unexplored app ideas, providing users with a wide range of options. Even individuals with little to no coding experience can benefit, as ChatGPT swiftly generates the required code and offers step-by-step instructions for app development. However, creating an app is just the first step. To monetize it, effective promotion and availability on the Google Play Store are crucial. ChatGPT can guide users through the process of posting their app on the store and provide valuable insights into app promotion strategies. With ChatGPT's assistance, individuals can transform their app ideas into successful products, potentially earning income through downloads and in-app purchases. This presents an exciting opportunity for monetizing app ideas, regardless of coding experience. ChatGPT's advanced capabilities make it an invaluable tool for those venturing into app development. Number 1. YouTube automation. ChatGPT offers valuable assistance for leveraging YouTube as a source of income. It can generate video scripts, ideas, and prompts, saving time and effort in content creation. Automating aspects like video descriptions, tags, and titles streamlines workflow and boosts publishing efficiency. ChatGPT provides insights on profitable niches, monetization strategies, and SEO optimization, enhancing visibility and revenue potential. It suggests revenue streams like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. However, success on YouTube requires consistent effort, high-quality content, and adherence to monetization policies. While ChatGPT provides valuable assistance, combining it with creativity, dedication, and strategic planning is crucial for building a successful YouTube channel and generating revenue. That's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos, and leave a comment with your opinion on ChatGPT. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more thrilling content like this. Thank you for watching our video.